Hey Cup team, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we are going to be making a special hot pepper sauce. I'm sure you're going to like it. Okay, so let me take you through the ingredients. We're using shombo, we're using scotch bonnet pepper, we're using onion, and we are going to be using ginger and garlic. This will just be the four things that go into this. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to blend all of them together, roughly blend them, and then get them frying. You can see very well, you see how it's rough. Okay, it's coarse, so I put it in here to sieve it, to strain off the water. So this is what we have. And what do you do to this? You don't discard it. Okay, you keep it, put it in a container, whatever, put it in your fridge and use it for your cooking. So in a well-heated dried frying pan, pour the amount of red oil that you would need for this. I usually need very, good amount of it, and allow it to heat up a bit, not bleach please. Then add some salt and introduce the blend mix of the veggies. Okay, after that, just give it a stir, just a very romancing kind of stir, so that you don't mess up everywhere. And this is all we'll be doing for now. We'll just leave it to keep cook drying, and you keep stirring it until the water finally dries off. That's the water content, and it will start getting fried. After the water has dried, the next is to for it to start getting fried. So at that point, you allow it to get fried. You still keep stirring, and it will get to the point where it will start getting burnt, because you must burn this. The secret to this sauce is that you have to fry it very dry. You could tell that when I started, this was almost to the grain, but now look at the level, because it's been frying. And you can also see from here that it has been drying. You see from here it's getting burning. Okay, so when you fry it very dry, you will get the special taste that this gives. Okay, so at this point it's okay. The pepper, onion is completely, translucent right now, completely dry. So it's going to give the yummy taste that I'm looking for. Drawn, and looking yummy-licious. You have to fry it very dry. Okay, you could see. Let's serve it. If you do know my channel, you should know by now that I am the queen of sauces. Yes, you can call me that with your full chest. Reason is I like white yam a lot, and so rather than keep having it with one particular sauce recipe, I learned how to make different kinds of sauces. As soon as anything enters my head that is different from what I used to try, I just go ahead and try it to enjoy with my white yam. So this is an encyclopedia of hot sauces. Okay, all right guys, this yam is so giving, and I wish you could have a taste, but Do well to try it out for yourself. Thank you for cooking with me today. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe. It is free of charge. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me on the comment section and kindly help me share to grow my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one. God bless you and bye-bye. I thought to be doing but it's hot.